that showcase. And we have a showcase for you. Look at this.
Your showcase contains prizes revealed during a story of St. John and the Pearly Gates.
Hi there. Welcome to heaven.
Well, golly, it's just like in the movies.
And it's all G-rated. But seriously, as a reward for being such a great cowgirl, from now on you'll wear this snappy pair of angel wings and watch over a dude ranch. You and your guests will fly a round-trip air coach from Los Angeles to Jackson, Wyoming, where you'll enjoy a week's holiday on a family ranch in the heart of Grand Teton National Park and Jackson Hole, Wyoming. You'll enjoy excellent meals, scenic horseback riding, excellent fishing, square dancing, or just relaxing. Ah, yes, you're a hobo. Just a minute, please. Let me pull your file. Let's see here.
Hey, this is a nice place. Are there any train tracks?
No. You see, those days are over. But for setting such a fine example for hobos everywhere, here's your set of wings. And a beautiful place to sleep. This new brass bed. The Contessa, a daybed sofa that's a reproduction of old world classic styling. The baked enamel on iron frame features brass fittings and beautiful soft curving lines from Corsican. Oh boy, the airline captain.
Reporting for scheduled meeting at 0200 hours, sir.
And perfectly on time. Now, for superior service in getting your passengers to their destination on time, we have a special pair of wings. No, not these. I mean the wings on this new ultralight airplane.
This is the Quicksilver by MX from Hyper Aircraft. Maneuverability powered by a 30 horsepower engine. Needs less than a 50-foot run to become airborne from Hyper Aircraft. And this showcase filled with prizes revealed during our story of St. John and the Pearly Gates can be yours if the price is right.
Well,